Welcome to this tutorial on ViewModel in Kotlin Android. ViewModel is a crucial architecture component that helps manage UI state effectively in Android applications. Throughout this video, you'll learn how ViewModel preserves data during configuration changes and improves the overall structure of your Android apps. ViewModel is an architecture component designed to store and manage UI-related data in a lifecycle-conscious way. What makes it special is its ability to survive configuration changes like screen rotations. When your device rotates, the activity gets destroyed and recreated, but the ViewModel persists. This means your data remains intact without needing to reload it from scratch. Before ViewModel, Android developers faced two major challenges. First, data loss. When an activity is recreated during configuration changes like screen rotation, all UI state gets destroyed, leading to a poor user experience. Second, performance issues. Without ViewModel, apps would need to make repeated network calls and database queries every time the screen rotates, wasting resources and slowing down the application. Understanding the ViewModel lifecycle is essential. The ViewModel is created when the activity or fragment starts. It then survives configuration changes, meaning the same instance persists across rotations and recreations of the activity. This is the key feature that makes ViewModel so powerful. Finally, the ViewModel is only destroyed when the activity is finished, such as when the user presses the back button or the activity is explicitly closed. Creating a ViewModel is straightforward. You define a class that extends ViewModel. In this example, we have a counter ViewModel that holds a private counter variable initialized to 0. We define two functions, increment counter to increase the counter value and get counter to retrieve the current counter. This simple structure demonstrates how ViewModel separates data management from UI logic. To use a ViewModel in your activity, you first declare it using the ViewModel's delegate. This is a concise Kotlin property delegate that automatically creates and retrieves the ViewModel instance. Inside the onCreate method, you can call methods on the ViewModel, such as increment counter, and retrieve data using getCounter. Notice how simple and clean this code is, with the activity only responsible for UI interactions while the ViewModel handles the data. Combining ViewModel with LiveData creates a powerful reactive architecture. LiveData is an observable data holder that notifies observers when data changes. In this example, we use mutable LiveData privately to update the counter and expose it as LiveData publicly for observation. The increment counter function now updates the LiveData value, which automatically notifies any observers. This pattern ensures that your UI always reflects the latest data state. Let's summarize the key benefits of using ViewModel. First, it preserves UI state across configuration changes, eliminating data loss during screen rotations. Second, it separates UI logic from UI controllers, making your code more maintainable and testable. Third, it improves performance by avoiding redundant operations like repeated network calls. Finally, it enables reactive UI updates when combined with LiveData or stateflow, ensuring your interface always stays in sync with your data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.